Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I... This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Here we go. Not gonna mess this up. Not gonna mess this up. Here we go. Ready? Hi.
My arms are small, my legs are small, my feet are small, my head's small, my eyes are small, my eyebrows small, my nose small, my mouth small, and my belly small, my hiney big.
You are thicker than a Snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun.
Is you party his...
Willow, put on my face. Oh, only the finest of dining here. 2 boys eating dirt from the ground. 1 girl eating dirt from the green onions. And 1 old woman eating rocks.
Who are you?
I'm Pam. Who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
Oh.
You know what happened to my heart?
What happened to your heart?
Well, when the first time I told you, when I saw you, my heart fell in love with you.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be.
Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time! Y'all are so snoozy! Look, I got you a new snooze buddy. His name is Jimmy. Take care of him. Have a good snooze.
It's peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Now
Hello. Hello.
Set. Go play the piano, Millie. Go play the piano. Play the piano. Play the piano. Here you go. Oh, there you go.
found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. And I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick and I'm using it today. I got a stick.
Seriously? Go ahead. You already ate it now. Oh, you need me to break it up for you? Seriously?
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Oh my goodness. Hello. Hi, you're so
Oh, shit!
No, stop. I know. You pick him up on me and
Good boy, Rip. Oh, the baby. Oh my God. Carlos. What?
Things in my house that are in desperate need of attention. Number 1. Me.
Snape, stop.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that.
Okay, Natalie, say it with me. We don't need it. We don't need it.
I want to get it.
Oh my God, is that your friend? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Good boy.
Okay,
so many of you know my dog is really mean, but can we take a moment? Look at how cute she is. She's so cute. She looks so peaceful. Hi, Bea. Hi, Lena. Hi! Oh my god!
Oh. Go, doggy, go! Oh. Woo!
Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time!
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
2, 1.
Okay, sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. High five. Here you go.
Hi, baby! Hi! You ready to go home? Oh, hi, Bubba.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Oh my goodness. Now, how about in a little bit when it's cooled down outside, so it's not too hot on your paws, that we might go out after I get ready? Yeah, sound like a plan to you?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm convinced that my sister's dog has the longest eyelashes in the whole world, so if your dog has longer, please duet this. Here are his eyelashes. They're so long. Oh my god.
You're modeling them. Ollie, you just modeled them.